Hello everybody, I hope you're all keeping very well. It seems a little bit while since I caught up with everybody, so I've got lots and lots of things to share with you. So where does time fly? I mean, almost October. Wow, time really has flown. So September has been quite a strange month. We've lost our beloved Queen, very sad affair, but what an amazing send-off that she had. Absolutely incredible day. I watched the funeral like probably most of the world watched it, didn't they, really? You know, over 5 million, was it 5 billion people have watched it. Just incredible send-off. Totally mesmerizing. I mean, the planning that's gone into all that attention to detail, you know, just amazing. And what an amazing lady she is. You know, 72 years, totally dedicated to what she's been doing. Delighted that I've been part of the history, I suppose, that we've been alive to watch it all fold out. Just amazing lady. Sadly missed. So of course now we have King Charles, and I'm glad to say my brother Prakash was involved in the proclamation of King Charles in Leek. So a little video below, there's various video links on here, so if you want to watch what actually happened in Leek, there's a link below if you want to catch up with that one. So lots of other things to share with you. Watch out for the scam that's going on at the moment if you're looking to buy a car. I'll tell you about that in a second. That was done by Car Dealer Magazine. So again, there's a link below that, but I'll tell you a little bit more further on this video. So again, we've been very busy. Lots of cars being bought, lots of cars being sold. So all the cars for sale are all on the website with full walk around videos, which everybody seems to love. So I'm glad you all love the videos, and thank you for the feedback, and of course making it easy for you to buy the car from the comfort of your armchair. And remember, if you are selling your car, nice car, not any car, I'm looking for nice cars, always nice cars. So nice, low mileage, full service history cars, of course, all the time, and I'll make it nice and easy for you to sell the cars. So there's various platforms out there, of course, trying to entice you to use them to get an online valuation. Sadly, I hear too many times, too often, that you put your registration, when you put your mileage on there and you get this price. And I'm told pretty much 9 times out of 10, those prices do not get honoured, even if the car is described correctly. Unfortunately, it's a game that a lot of platforms play, and also platforms are saying not the price they're going to give you, but a guidance really. That's what it is, it's a guidance. So don't be misled into thinking that is the price you will achieve. That is just saying a guidance. So genuinely, if you want to sell your car, you give me an honest description, the price I tell you will be the price that I pay. It's very simple, it's very easy. So I've had many customers the last few weeks literally using these online platforms to get a valuation, only to be disappointed listing the car, having waited 7 days, 10 days, and not achieving anywhere near the guide prices. So you've lost that sale time in between. So if you want a quick, hassle-free, quick sale, give me a shout, and if the car ticks the boxes for me, I promise you I will give you the best price for it. If it doesn't tick the boxes, then you need to go and sell it to somebody who buys any car and not nice cars. Very simple, very easy. So just a word of caution there. Yes, of course, you want to get the best price for your car, but sometimes you might just get led up a garden path, as I say. So what else is the MOTs? So I'm delighted to say we're doing our MOTs back on site again now. A lot of people have been taking advantage of that one, and it is crazy. We are so busy with MOTs, so please check your MOTs. We're finding so many customers who've actually run out of MOTs and not realised it. And of course, you understand the implication of that. No MOT, no insurance. And to make life a little bit easier, we have our app. So this is the app. There's a link below. Get onto that. Please download the app. It's fantastic. I've been testing it for the last couple of months, and it's actually saved one of my loan cars. I forgot the MOT was due on that one, and he pinged up a message to say MOT is due soon. So really a great reminder. And to make it easy, just literally use your the camera phone, straight onto the QR code, download the app, fill it all in, and you can set reminders there. It'll automatically do the MOT one from the DVSA website and the road tax. You can put your insurance details in, so I guess it'll send you a reminder for the insurance, It is such a handy app, it really is. So I really do urge you just to simply either scan that in or hit the link below and download the app. It really is a saviour, especially with the MOTs on that. So as I say, with the MOTs, please you know, get your car booked in. You can do the MOT up to 30 days before the due date. So if it's due at the end of October, you can get it done before the end of September, and you don't lose that time on that. So just check. And I'll also put the link in there below to click on there to check with DVSA when your MOT is due. If you're not sure and you can't find the paperwork, click the link, put your registration number there. It'll tell you instantly when the MOT is due or was due. So have a look at that. And just make sure you are covered, because I say, you know, no MOT, no insurance, doesn't bear thinking really what could consequently happen on that one. And of course, with the crisis at the moment that we're all going through, you know, it's electric's going through the roof, etc., and interest rates going up there. So we've teamed up with a company called Bumper. So if your car wants any repairs or servicing, and of course it's unexpected, these sort of things, your bills are going to go through the roof, repairs on your vehicle that you weren't expecting, we can help you with that one. It is very, very quick and easy. The Bumper package helps to spread the cost of all the repairs. It's very simple. There's no interest charges, there's no fees, nothing whatsoever, zilch. Literally, if your invoice is £1,000, you pay the minimum deposit on the day you actually had the car serviced or repaired or whatever it is, and you can spread the cost up to 6 months interest free. Simple as that, very quick, very easy. It literally takes a couple of minutes to set up. So you can either get pre-approved, again all the links are below in the video with Bumper, so you can get pre-approved even before you book your car in. Alternatively, you book your car in and we can sort it out over the counter when you book the car in. Great feature. Many customers taking advantage of that situation because they've had unexpected bills, cars failed the MOT, you know, road springs break anytime, you've got potholes all over the place. So all these things can happen unexpectedly, but we are here to help you spread the cost and make life a little bit easier in these tough, challenging times. So there. And talking of interest rates, of course, we don't know where the bank's going to go with that at the moment. I mean, again, they're talking of another hike on the interest rate. So if you are thinking of changing your car, take it out on finance, because the current rate will be fixed. So whatever the current rate is, I mean, mine is 7.9 APR today. If the banks put that up, the finance companies will, of course, in turn put that rate up. However, if you take that car out on finance over 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 months, that rate is fixed and your payments are fixed for the whole duration. So don't panic about that. So your fixed payments all the way through the period, no unexpected rises, regardless of what the bank does. So again, fixing all your costs, you know where you're going for the future. Make it light, nice and easy, quite easy on that one. So I mentioned the scam earlier on, and honestly, I just shudder of how these scams appear and what these people think of doing. So James Baggett, the CEO of Car Dealer Magazine, tried to find out who was behind some of these scams. So literally, how does it work? Very easy, very easy. So for example, this car here, this Mercedes SLC, £30,000. So they basically pinch the details of that car off my website, and they'll advertise it on their own, for example, an Auto Trader, and they'll advertise, let's say, £25,000, which is way below the market value for that car. Of course, innocent buyers think, wow, what a bargain. So they ring up and try to buy that car, which obviously is in my showroom at £30,000, but it's on their website or on their platform, advertised at £25,000, and they entice you to buy that car unseen and part with £25,000. Of course, that car will never get delivered because they don't own the car. And there's more details on the link below where James actually rings the dealer, the scammer, should we say, where actually rings them up. Have a listen to that. Interesting conversation. So just be careful. I mean, I've been selling cars unseen to many customers all over the country, and you're probably one of the customers who've actually bought my car unseen, paid me in full, had the car delivered to your doorstep. So maybe one of the checks that you could do is, if you want to buy that car, ring the dealer and say, I'm very interested. Send me a personalised video of your car, please. And guess what? They won't be able to do that because they don't own the car. So just take care out there. Yeah, there's too many scammers out there trying to take money off you. So the old thing which I've always said for many years, you know what I'm going to say, if it's too good to be true, it usually is. So please don't get scammed, don't get caught out. Just take great caution, whatever you're buying. Doesn't have to be a car, does it really? So whatever you're thinking of buying, just take extra caution out there. Talking to Car Dealer Magazine, they've got the awards coming up there, and I've not really applied, to be honest with you. However, if you feel that I'm worth it, and of course the Harris Motor Company, there's various categories out there, and I've listed them below. If you think I'm worthy of another award and to meet Mike Brewer, good old Mike, I've not seen him for a few years, please click the link and vote for me. And of course, if you think Harris Motor Company deserves to be the service winner, which I definitely think they ought to be winning, the service, I mean the service we provide, you customers know all about it, is absolutely incredible service that we do for all our service customers. So please hit the links below, and please vote us in, and hopefully I might see Mike at the end of the year at the brewery. You never know. So always here to help, buying, selling cars, servicing, repairs, tyres, MOTs, whatever it is, give us a shout. And talking of tyres, we're seeing some horrendous tyres on the road. Remember, 1.6 mil is the legal limit, and literally with this sort of damp weather which we've got now, handling is terrible, isn't it? You know, 1.6 millimeters is nothing really. Very tiny little bit, into 1.6. Just imagine 1.6. Keep thinking that in your head. 1.6 is no trap. But again, tires get worn out unevenly sometimes, and we've had customers who say to me, "Oh, my tire's fine on the outside, on the inner edge, it's actually gone straight through to canvas." Yep, ready to blow out. So if you're local, please pop in. Happy to do a free tyre check anytime, no problem at all. If not, just turn the steering wheel over, lock your wheels over, give you a better idea of what the tyres are like. Stay safe on them, those tyres. And of course, as I mentioned, winter approaching on there. Of course, you've got to think of antifreeze in your car, things like that. So we're here to help. Give us a shout, and we can make motoring easy for you and safer for you on that one. And 25-year anniversary video, get the words out, 25-year anniversary video is also linked below. And I can't believe it, it's July that was. Where is time going? So there we have it. And please don't forget all the social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Please follow us on all the social media platforms and catch up with exactly what's happening here all the time. Thank you again for your time. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. I say all the links are below, so if you want to vote for us, please do. It'd be great to get some awards. And Harris Motor Company phone number is 01782 834 215, or if you want to buy or sell a car, 01782 822 700. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and any advice or support you want, please feel free. And I'll just throw this in at the end. Things can sometimes get down for people, and you're not feeling too good, and the pressure's all getting to you. If you just want somebody to have a chat with, have a cup of coffee with, please give me a shout. Pop in, have a cup of coffee with me. You know, all the troubles might not seem as bad as they appear to you in the first place. Problem shared, problem halved, as I say. So always here to help, always at the end of the phone. Just don't get lonely, don't get depressed, don't get down. The world does get to us sometimes, but just a little chat and a coffee makes all the difference in the world. Stay safe, see you all soon. Have a great day.